Welcome to Ready to Travel 8. Join me as I explore the diverse landscapes and vibrant cities across the United States. This country, with 50 states, is just slightly smaller than Europe. From the Rocky Mountains to California's beaches, the USA offers diverse landscapes and cultures. From Las Vegas to Yellowstone, explore cities, national parks, and hidden gems. Here's a look at the 28 best places to visit in the USA. Our journey begins in New York, home to the nation's most populous city, New York City. A global hub of finance, culture, and art, New York City is instantly recognizable by its towering skyline and vibrant street life. No trip to New York is complete without a visit to the Empire State Building. Completed in 1931, this iconic Art Deco landmark towers over the city, symbolizing New York's vibrant spirit with its timeless architecture. The construction of the Empire State Building was a marvel of its time, completed in just over a year during the Great Depression. It quickly became an iconic symbol of New York City. From the observation deck, take in sweeping views of Manhattan's bustling streets, an experience that becomes even more magical after dark. Central Park, a green oasis in Manhattan, offers a welcome respite from the city's frenetic energy. And then there's Times Square, a dazzling spectacle of lights and sound, embodying the energy of New York City. We journey now to the raw, natural beauty of the American Southwest. Here lies the Grand Canyon, carved over millennia by the Colorado River, stretching for 277 miles and reaching depths of over a mile. The Grand Canyon defies comprehension. Its sheer scale is difficult to grasp, even from the rim, where visitors gather to gaze down into its depths. The canyon's layered bands of red rock reveal millions of years of geological history. Now we journey to the western shores of this great nation, to a city renowned for its iconic bridge, its charming cable cars, and a certain vibrant red landmark. San Francisco, a city perched upon the edge of a peninsula, often shrouded in a veil of mist, yet always captivating. Here, the Pacific Ocean crashes against the rugged coastline, a symphony of nature that has shaped the city's character. The steep hills, a defining feature, offer breathtaking vistas from every corner. This is a city that embraces its unique topography, a living tapestry of Victorian architecture clinging to the slopes. Beyond its picturesque facade lies a city of innovation, a hub of technology and creativity. From the bustling piers of Fisherman's Wharf to the vibrant murals of Haight-Ashbury and the bustling streets of Chinatown, rich with cultural heritage, who could forget the iconic Golden Gate Bridge? Built in 1933, this engineering marvel remains a symbol of human innovation and design. Standing sentinel at the entrance to the bay, San Francisco is a city of contrasts, a place where Victorian charm meets modern sophistication, where urban life harmoniously coexists with nature's beauty. A city that truly captures the spirit of the American West, defined by adventure, resilience, and a steadfast belief in limitless possibilities. It's a place where innovation meets tradition, creating an atmosphere of boundless opportunity. From the cool embrace of the Pacific, we venture now to the heart of the Nevada desert, to a city that shimmers like a mirage, an oasis of neon and entertainment. Las Vegas, a city that needs little introduction, its reputation for extravagance preceding it like a fanfare. Here, beneath the scorching desert sun, a spectacle unlike any other unfolds. Towering casinos line the famed Las Vegas Strip, a testament to the human desire for spectacle and the allure of chance. Millions flock here each year, drawn by the promise of bright lights and endless entertainment. Las Vegas is a city that never sleeps. a whirlwind of activity that continues long after the desert sun has set. Leaving behind the man-made wonders of Las Vegas, we journey now to Yellowstone, a place where the earth seems to breathe. Geysers erupt in plumes of steam and hot springs shimmer in hues of emerald and sapphire. Established in 1872, Yellowstone is the world's first national park. Amidst towering mountains and pristine lakes, a drama unfolds. Bison roam freely across vast meadows. Geysers like Old Faithful erupt with clockwork precision, a reminder of the immense power beneath our feet. Yellowstone is a place of raw, untamed beauty. Welcome to Chicago, the bustling metropolis on the shores of Lake Michigan. Nicknamed the Windy City, Chicago is a place of energy and industry, its skyline dominated by towering skyscrapers. Chicago's architectural heritage is world-renowned, and no visit is complete without trying its deep dish pizza. Our journey now takes us westward to the sprawling metropolis of Los Angeles, a city often bathed in the golden glow of the Californian sun. Dreams are made and broken in equal measure, and the pursuit of fame and fortune is a constant undercurrent. From the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame to the vibrant murals and street art of the Arts District, Los Angeles is a vibrant tapestry of sights and sounds. From its iconic star-lined streets to its diverse and eclectic neighborhoods, the city pulses with creativity. A blend of glitz, culture, and art. It embodies a spirit of diversity and innovation. Our journey now brings us to Washington, D.C., the nation's capital, where history and purpose intersect. This city is home to iconic monuments, museums, and the seat of American political power. From the grandeur of the National Mall to the vibrant neighborhoods, Washington, D.C. embodies a rich blend of heritage, culture, and modern ambition. Here, on the banks of the Potomac River, the destiny of a nation is shaped. Washington, D.C. is a city of monuments and memorials, each a testament to pivotal moments in American history, and at its heart lies the White House, the residence of the president and a symbol of American power. Nestled in the heart of Florida, Orlando is a city synonymous with enchantment and wonder. Home to world-renowned theme parks, each a universe unto itself, Walt Disney World beckons with magical kingdoms and beloved characters. SeaWorld unveils the mysteries of marine life. Universal Studios offers heart-stopping rides and immersive experiences. Cast adrift in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, the Hawaiian archipelago emerges, a jewel-toned tapestry of volcanic islands. Sculpted by fire and water, lush rainforests cloak towering volcanoes. Hawaii is a symphony of contrasts. Turquoise waves crash against the golden sands, inviting visitors to bask in the sun or ride the perfect wave. Steeped in rich culture and tradition, the spirit of aloha permeates life. Hula dancers and drums tell stories, from Kilauea's summit to Hanauma Bay's shores. Nestled between the glistening waters of Puget Sound and the snow-capped peaks of the Cascade Mountains, Seattle stands as a testament to human ingenuity. This is a city where innovation thrives. Punctuated by the iconic Space Needle, a futuristic spire symbolizing the city's forward-thinking spirit. Giants like Boeing, Starbucks, and Amazon have taken root here. Seattle embraces its natural surroundings with lush parks and gardens. Pike Place Market showcases the bounty of the region. As the sun sets, Seattle transforms into a lively hub of entertainment. The city's nightlife awakens, with buzzing bars, trendy clubs, and cozy cafes, inviting locals and visitors to unwind. Miami, a city synonymous with sun-drenched beaches and swaying a vibrant Latin pulse. Cultures converge to create an exhilarating city. The azure waters of the Atlantic lap against Miami Beach, inviting visitors to soak up the tropical sun. Art Deco architecture on Ocean Drive. Little Havana, the heart of the Cuban community, pulsates with life. The aroma of strong Cuban coffee and salsa music fill the air. As the sun sets, Miami transforms. From South Beach cocktail bars to downtown nightclubs, the nightlife is diverse and vibrant. We journey to the heart of New England, to Boston, a city steeped in history and academia. Boston cradles America's origins. The Freedom Trail connects key sites of the American Revolution. From Boston Common to Faneuil Hall, Boston is also a thriving metropolis with prestigious universities. The hallowed halls of Harvard and MIT resonate with knowledge. Our journey takes us to a place of raw, untamed power, Niagara Falls. This natural wonder has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Straddling the US-Canada border, it's a testament to the sheer force of water. Millions of gallons cascade every second, plummeting with a deafening roar. A fine mist rises, creating a shimmering rainbow halo in the sunlight. Deep in the Mississippi Delta lies the vibrant city of New Orleans, a city forged from a unique blend of cultures. It marches to the beat of its own drum. New Orleans is a city of celebration, filled with jazz, cuisine, and Mardi Gras. The historic French Quarter echoes with stories from a bygone era. But New Orleans has faced hardships, from hurricanes to social challenges. Yet the spirit of its people, their resilience, has never faltered. In the heart of Alaska, a vast wilderness unfolds, dominated by Denali, the highest peak in North America. 6 million acres of untamed beauty, a testament to nature's raw power. Amidst glaciers, snow-capped peaks, and tundra, life thrives. Grizzly bears roam, caribou migrate, and Dal's sheep cling to slopes. Raptors cry, and rivers teem with salmon. Denali is a place of extremes, where winter gives way to a brief summer, a time of intense activity and renewal, a landscape that inspires awe, a reminder of nature's majesty. Bathed in the golden light of the Californian sun, San Diego sprawls along the Pacific coastline, a city where the desert meets the sea. With its mild climate, stunning beaches, and laid-back vibe, it's no wonder that San Diego is often referred to as America's finest city. Sedona, nestled amid striking red rock formations, is a sight to behold. The vibrant hues of the sandstone, sculpted by wind and water, create a dramatic landscape. This wonderland draws visitors for its natural beauty and spiritual energy. Many are drawn to the vortex sites, believed to promote healing. As the sun sets, the rocks glow, showcasing Sedona's profound beauty. Philadelphia, the birthplace of American independence, stands as a testament to the nation's rich history. Known as Philly, this bustling metropolis pulsates with vibrant energy. History comes alive on cobbled streets lined with colonial-era buildings. Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence was signed, stands as a powerful symbol of liberty. Savannah, Georgia, whispers tales of the Old South. Grand mansions draped in Spanish moss hint at a bygone era of Southern hospitality. Founded in 1733, Savannah is a treasure trove of architectural gems. Horse-drawn carriages clip-clop down the streets, a charming contrast to the modern. Beneath ancient live oaks, time slows down, inviting visitors to savor the city's atmosphere. Savannah's allure extends beyond its historic charm. A thriving art scene, delectable cuisine, and warm people contribute to its magnetism. Whether strolling through squares or indulging in a low-country boil, Savannah offers true Southern hospitality. San Antonio, a city bathed in the warm Texan sun, holds a charm quite unlike any other. Here, the echoes of a rich and storied past intertwine with modern vibrancy. The Alamo, a symbol of Texan courage, stands as a reminder of the struggle for independence. San Antonio has much more to offer than its historic past. The River Walk, a lively network of pathways, is a hub of activity and culture. From the depths of the earth, colossal sandstone cliffs rise, their sheer faces painted in hues of ochre, crimson, and rose. This is Zion National Park, a testament to nature's artistry. Millions of years of erosion have sculpted a breathtaking landscape. Towering monoliths stand sentinel over a verdant valley floor, their summits veiled in ethereal mist. Life finds a foothold in unexpected places. Delicate wildflowers cling to the canyon walls, their vibrant colors contrasting the rugged terrain. The air hums with the sound of life, from the chirping of canyon wrens to the rustling of lizards amongst the rocks. Few places on Earth rival the majesty of Yosemite National Park. Amidst granite peaks, waterfalls cascade, their roar echoing through the valleys. Yosemite Valley, a glacial masterpiece, is a sight to behold. El Capitan and Half Dome stand as enduring symbols of nature's power. Yosemite is a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, from wildflower meadows to ancient sequoia groves. Atlanta, a sprawling metropolis, home to millions and a hub of southern charm and hospitality. Atlanta boasts 3 distinct skylines, each a testament to the city's growth and ambition. Beyond the urban heart, you'll find rolling hills of verdant tapestry woven with pine forests and ancient oak trees. In spring, magnolias burst into bloom, a true testament to the spirit of the New South. High in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado lies Aspen, a town synonymous with luxury and world-class skiing. Skiers flock here for pristine slopes and legendary powder. As the first snowflakes fall, Aspen transforms. The slopes come alive with skiers in brightly colored jackets. From Ajax to Buttermilk, Aspen offers skiing for every level. We journey now to the rugged shores of Maine, where the Atlantic carves a masterpiece from granite and pine. Acadia National Park, a tapestry of rocky coastlines, dense forests, and serene lakes, stands as a testament to the raw beauty of the American Northeast. In the heart of Utah's desert landscape lies Arches National Park, a surreal landscape of over 2,000 natural sandstone arches. These magnificent structures, sculpted over millennia by wind and erosion, stand as silent guardians over a landscape painted in shades of ochre, crimson, and gold. Continuing our journey through America's national treasures, we arrive at Bryce Canyon, a symphony of stone sculpted by time and the elements. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the canyon, the hoodoos seem to glow from within. And so, our journey through the United States comes to an end. From the towering skyscrapers of New York City to the sun-drenched beaches of California, from the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the tranquil shores of Maine. Throughout our journey, we've experienced the stunning diversity and beauty that define this vast country. Thank you for watching my Ready to Travel 8 video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's explore the world together, one unforgettable journey at a time.